Stabili Play School, the gateway to future education of the academic year 2024-25. Today is a day of celebration, a day filled with joy and day to reflect on the wonderful journey of our little stars had throughout this year. It is not just a graduation, it is a milestone that marks the beginning of many more achievements in their educational journey. Now, to grace our stage with her presence, I would like to invite the guiding light of our school, our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. N. Lakshmi Garu, to come upon the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending a hearty welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Dr. S. Chandana Garu. As a token of our sincere gratitude, we would like to present a sapling to our chief guest, Dr. Chandana Garu. I request our students to present this gesture of our respect. Thank you, sir. We are privileged to have you among us today, sir, and we thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to extend your support.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं योग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं गणनायकाय गणदैवता गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिता गुणेशानाय धीमहि.
A warm welcome to all our beloved parents and esteemed guests who occupy the dais and add colors to our celebration.
Good evening, all the parents and teachers and who are the persons dignified here. I'm so thankful that they are invited me as a chief guest.
ఫస్ట్లో మేము ఉన్నప్పుడు అంత డిజిటల్ ఇప్పుడున్నంత డిజిటల్ లైఫ్లో అయితే లేం కదా. సో అప్పుడు
Wow, that was really a mesmerizing performance by our kids and parents, isn't it? Yes.
Says so much about the environment here as they progress with their
I request our journal in charge, sir, to please come upon the dais and award the certificates. And here comes G. Jashwant, a friendly boy, D. Satvik, an attractive boy. Comes one more naughty boy. Here is a caring and a friendly P. Ayush. And here comes a good advisor, M. Joshnov. The genius of our UKC, MD Ayan. An attractive boy, P. Harshit. A friendly natured, and here comes a very naughty boy, MD Suhail. And a weak Kartikeya. And here come an intelligent girl, D. Darshika Chandu. And Tanusri, who have a friendly nature. We need your encouragement while they were receiving the certificates. Please put your hands and give them a very big round of applause, all of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And the second place goes to SK Abdul Oman from LK Section, won the third place in fancy dress competition. Please give them a very big round of applause, all of you. Congratulations. And here comes the prize winners of front, the first place in clay molding competition. The second place goes to Abhinandan from LK. And the third place from LKCR section won the third place in clay molding competition. And here are the prize winners for letter hand competition. A. Teja Prasad from LKCR. The second place goes to J. Rishit Kumar from LKCR section won the second place in letter hand competition. The second place in letter hand competition. The third place in letter hand competition. Yes, Vinisha from LKCR in fancy dress competition. LKCR section won the first place in fancy dress competition. Please put your hands together and congratulate our young prize winners. Thank you. And here is competition. The first prize goes to B. Jashvita from LKZ R1 section won the first place in fancy dress competition. LKZ R1 section won the second place in fancy dress competition. By two students, that is B. Rishita Sri and S. Purvika from LKZ R1 section won the third place in fancy dress competition. B. Rishita Sri and Purvika from LKZ R1 section. To Ramu from LKZ R1 section won the first place in clay molding competition. P. Rishi Srinivas from LKZ R1 section has won the second place in clay molding competition. To M. Neha Priya from LKZ R1 section has won the third place in clay molding competition. Comes the winners of letter hunt. The first place goes to Sahar Rohan from LKZ R1 section, and the second place goes to Nehansh Nandan from LKZ R1 section. place goes to Shashank Ram, the R1 section. Shashank Ram. Shashank Ram from LKC R1 section has won the third place in letterhand competition. Once again, congratulations to all the prize winners. Please put your hands and give them a very big round of applause. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Rustika. My school name is Ramdabati Jabilli Play School. Today I am telling about fruits and vegetables. Banana, 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 peel, banana. Banana is another fruit. Apple, apple is doctor fruit.
అడంగా
Cut apple.
మైక్ని కొద్ది కిందకి పెట్టమనండి, అంటే ఫేస్
Grapes,
కనిపించేలాగా
running pumpkin, one, grape. Orange, sweet, orange. Orange is sweet plus fruit. Lady finger look like a mama finger. Peas is fiber in it. Brinjal is king of the vegetables. Tomato has more juicy red in color.
Run. Stop. Take the cards. Slow. Okay. What is that side word?
Ta cat is fat. This is a dog. Hey, she is a book. The pen is in the hand. He is a boy. Ta cat is fat. This is a dog. Hey, she is a book. A pen is in the hand. He is a boy.
Please put your hands together and congratulate our all LKG students with a big round of applause, all of you, please. Another dazzling performance from our tiny kids of LKCR. Let's welcome them.
छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे.
E-Code program strengthens the basic concepts, improves the fear of competitive exams, helps in time management, quality material, improves competitive spirit.
Game start. I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby?
An enthusiastic Pallavi, she's a lovely girl. G. Joshita, she's very confident. S. Shanmugh, a very naughty boy. B. Sriman, an innocent boy in the class. Here comes the cutest. N. Venkat, an active boy in the class. And here comes an obedient boy, M. Rithvik. S. Bhuvanesh, Jashwin, G. Jashwin, obedient boy A. Manvik. Charita Sri, an active girl. Charita Sri, Chaitra Sri, and Yashashwini, who have very good helping nature. Yashashwini, who have very good helping nature. Tejasri, Dalishya, a very active girl in the class. And very innocent girl. A very active girl in the class. Tejashvi, and Vaishnavi, she is very active girl in the class.
Latataini Tasa, Randabati Public School. We pledge that we will be loyal to our family and society. We pledge to do everything to make our country strong. We pledge to work, stand and serve honestly. Thank you everyone.
M. Chetan Sai from first R1 R section has won the first place in greeting card making. 2. R. Pramila. R. Pramila from first R section has won the second place in greeting card making. Third place is shared by two students, P. Manasvi and Gagan. P. Manasvi and Gagan has won the third place in greeting card making competition. 2. Ira MD, and the first place was also shared by two students, and the other is A. Jashwita. A. Jashwita and MD Iris in fancy dress competition. Tanvika from first class R section won the second place in fancy dress competition. First 2. P. Dashmant. P. Dashmant from first class R section has won the third place in fancy dress competition. Give you a big round of applause while they were receiving the prizes. Comes the prize winners of Solve Me and Find Me. M. Mahima Shakti Swaroop from first R Shika. A. Trishika from first R section has won the second place in Solve Me and Find Me. G. Banusri. G. Banusri from first R section has won the third place in Solve Me and Find Me. Pranati and R. Varnasri. G. Pranati and R. Varnasri from first class R1 section has won the first place in greeting card making. Please put your hands and give them a very big round of applause, all of you. V. Tanvita from first class R1 section has won the third place in greeting card making competition. N. Karun from first R1 section has won the first place in fancy dress competition. Please give him a very big round of applause. 2. V. Abhi. V. Abhi from first R1 section has won the second place in fancy dress competition. Habiba Jasmine from first R1 section has won third place in fancy dress competition. And here are the winners of Solve Me and Find Me. The first place goes to B. Hema Vaishnavi. B. Hema Vaishnavi from first R1 section has won the first place in Solve Me and Find Me. Komali Shiva. K. Komali Shiva from first R1 section has won the second place in Solve Me and Find Me. And the third place goes to Dhruva. D. Dhruva from first R1 section has won the third place in Solve Me and Find Me competition. For the best of the West competition, the first place goes to P. Harshita in best out of West competition. The second place goes to P. Mokshita. P. Mokshita from second R section. And the third place is shared by two students. G. Joel and M. Karthik has won third place from second R section for best out of West competition. The first place goes to A. Harshini. A. Harshini from second R section has won the first place in fancy dress competition. And the second place goes to G. Ishani. G. Ishani from second R section has won the second place in fancy dress competition. Place goes to Anas Ahmad. Ahmad from second R section has won the third place in fancy dress competition. The first place goes to B. Dashmant. B. Dashmant from second R section has won the first place in picture competition. The second place P. Pujita from second R section has won the second place in picture competition. And the third place goes to Lakshmi Tejodbhavi. Lakshmi Tejodbhavi from second R section has won the third place in picture competition. Congratulations to all the first place in best out of West. The second place goes to K. Pragnashri. K. Pragnashri of second R1 section has won the second place in best out of the West competition. And here are the winners of fancy dress competition. The first place goes to T. Karthik. The first place goes to T. Kritika from second class R1 section. K. Dundi Sai. K. Dundi Sai from second class R1 section has won the second place in fancy dress competition. Yes, Juhita. Yes, Juhita from second R1 section has won the third place in fancy dress competition. And here Sundarpal and P. Jashwant Reddy. K. Sundarpal and P. Jashwant Reddy has won first prize for picture competition. B. Satvik from second class R1 section has won the second place in picture competition. And the third place Varun Tej. B. Varun Tej from second class R1 section has won the third place in picture competition. Congratulations to all the prize winners. Once again, please put your hands and congratulate our children with a big round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for doing this honor. Thank you.
My teacher's name is Lakshmi ma'am. We are telling about people who help us. I am a doctor. I treat people. I am a nurse. I use as injection to the patients. I am a barber. I cut your hair. I am a traffic police. I control the traffic. I am a driver. I take stuff from one place to another place. I am a plumber. I fix the pipes and taps. I am a farmer.
That was a wonderful presentation by our UKC kids. Please give them a big round of applause. Pallavi. Pallavi. Class. A very naughty boy and also obedient. Bhuvaneshwar. Tanmay. In the class. An obedient boy. Srimant, Manoj Aditya, a very honest boy. Venkat Kumar is very active. In the class. Parents, please give your support by giving them a very good round of applause.
At the tiny tops of Hyderabad Public School, we pledge that we will be loyal to
A very huge round of applause and congratulate them.
Hi friends, good morning. I am studying in first class. My school name is Rangnapati Public School. Now I am saying about Finding Lakshmi story. Meet Ramu, who is the son of a farmer. He lives on a farm. He has a cow named Lakshmi. Ramu loves Lakshmi. He takes good care of her. Ramu shows her love by licking him gently. Every day Ramu takes Lakshmi to the fields to graze. After their long walks, Ramu gives Lakshmi a nice bath and feeds her grass and water. On one such day, he forgot to tie her and went away to play with his friends. When he came back, she was not there. He was scared and thought that he had lost her. He and his friends searched in the nearby fields and asked people around. They could not find her. There was a forest at the end of the village. He and his friends hurried into the forest and started searching for Lakshmi. Ramu heard a sound and ran in that direction. His friends followed him closely. They saw Lakshmi stuck in a big which was filled with dried leaves, soil and branches. She was trying to free herself. At once they pulled Lakshmi out and set her free. Ramu saw that Lakshmi was hurt and felt sorry for her. So he hugged her and then Lakshmi gave him a loving lick. At once they pulled Lakshmi out and set her free. Thank you. In first class, our school name is Ravindra Bharati Public School. We are saying I run to my school. Ask, asked. Ask is a today word. Asked is a yesterday word. I asked my pen. Read, read. Paint. Paint is a today word. Paint is a yesterday word. The paint my house. Complete, completed. Complete is a today word. Completed is a yesterday word. I completed my homework. Watch, watched. Watch is a today word. Watched is a yesterday word. I watched program. Good evening, everyone. Who am I? Just think. Oh, I am a water drop. Oh, I am fell down. Please save me. Don't waste water for drink, for wash, for cook. That way, don't